Hi guys, good morning. We're now here in Alpine Residences located in Barangay del Rosario, San Fernando, Pampanga. This subdivision sits for 10.43 hectares and it has a total of 1,254 units na itatayo po dito sa lugar na ito. So, actually as you can see at my back, meron na pong mga nakatayong bahay dito at marami na pong nagmamay-ari niyan. Okay? So maybe you will be the one, kaya don't hesitate to call me up now. Message me now, guys. Okay? So ang pinaka-standard cut size ng lote na to is 36 SQM and the floor area is 44 SQM. So dito pa lang sa labas, malawak po ang carport. So kasya po ang sedan type of car and might as well yung mga SUV. Okay? So, ang mga features and amenities dito guys, merong underground drainage system, meron siyang multipurpose basketball court and playgrounds, merong 24/7 security guard house po tayo, and what else? Of course, meron namang admin office dito na pwedeng i-cater lahat ng mga concerns mo once na nakakuha ka na ng unit dito and you'll become the one of the homeowner here. So, let's go inside guys para makita po natin kung anong unit meron po ang turnover na to. So, eto, the wall is not painted. Pwede mo pong i-customize ito kung ano pong mapili mong kulay. Then, yun po yung magiging kulay of course ng inyong pintura. Ito, ready na po. Andito na po yung mga switches. Steel window, toilet and bath. And, ayun po, lalagyan mo na lang siya ng ilaw. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Ayan po yung itsura ng taas. Ayan. Ready to install na po guys ang mga electrical wirings na yan. Okay. So, this is provision po for 2 bedrooms. Okay, let's go down. So, sa mga interested guys, you can message to my personal FB account, Mel Almenanza, and to my FB page, Mel Real Estate Service. So, hurry now guys, may mga naka-promo po tayo. May mga reopen units din po dito. Actually, sold out na po ito while ongoing po ang construction. But then, nagkakaroon po naman ng mga reopen dito. So, ayan guys, ang Alpine Residences. Hurry, grab this opportunity now, okay? So, let's make your dream home happen here in Alpine Residences. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye.